In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve, an essential step if you're looking to fine-tune the quality of your video projects. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just getting started, understanding how to adjust your timeline resolution can greatly impact your workflow and the final quality of your videos. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so from the official website. Once you've launched the program and opened up your current project, it's time to head to the Settings section. You can find Settings conveniently located at the bottom right of your interface. This section serves as the control center where you can tweak various project settings to align perfectly with your vision. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice a range of options. Look for Master Settings. This is where the magic happens and where you can see Timeline Resolution. The timeline resolution is directly related to the quality and size of your video. Depending on your project requirements, you might want to increase it for higher quality outputs or adjust it downward for more efficient editing and exporting, especially if you're working with limited processing power or storage. To adjust the timeline resolution, simply click on the drop-down menu next to Timeline Resolution. Here you'll see several options, typically ranging from HD to 4K and beyond, depending on what your graphics card and system can support. Choose the resolution that best matches your project's needs. It's worth noting that while higher resolutions provide better image quality, they can also demand more from your computer's resources. So select the resolution wisely based on your machine's capabilities. Once you've chosen the desired resolution, make sure to double-check that all other settings align with your project's specifications. Taking a moment now to ensure everything is correct will save you headaches down the line. If you're unsure about which resolution to choose, consider the platform where your video will be showcased. For instance, most social media platforms support HD and 4K, but knowing your audience and the devices they use can help in making the right decision. And there you have it. With the timeline resolution adjusted, you can proceed with confidence, knowing your video projects are prepped for optimal quality. Revisit these settings anytime you start a new project or when your project requirements change. Adjusting your timeline resolution is a small but significant step that can greatly enhance your video editing process and final outputs. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide on adjusting the timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve was helpful. If you found value in this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.